Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix HDMI not shown in Windows 10 when connect to TV, no HDMI audio device detected, fix. Go to the start menu and search for services and hit enter. Scroll down and select Windows Audio. This service. And double click and change any option for automatic and click on apply and click on OK. In this column you can show status of this service. Double click and select start, one click, and click on OK, and you can verify the status is running. And in this section in the left side, select restart and close this window. And to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. You can try connect your HDMI device, and to verify, go to service and hit enter and search for Windows Audio. And the status is running. Thanks for watching, and you can try verify in this option. The speakers, the volume is high. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/Satiel, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.